Hi there. This video will show you the new ticket designer. We have two ticket designer options. One is just a normal ticket designer and one is the ticket designer test. You should always create a new ticket layout with the ticket designer test and then copy this to the ticket designer. Again, just to mention this, you do not need to create a ticket layout. There is already a ticket layout. In most cases, it's already good enough, but you're always free to change your ticket layout. So let's go to the ticket designer and discuss the new features we were adding to this ticket designer. So now the ticket designer received a full-fledged text editor, so it's much easier to change the values and do some coding in here. You see it's basically HTML combined with the tweak codes so that you are able to do some if statements and operations. We are going to cover the new features. So we have the first option is clear. You can have padding or no padding so that you can go with your images or with your table from edge to the edge. Then we have also the normal page size. This was already there. And of course the QR code size. 50 is a very good value and not too small, not too big. So if you change your code, it's no longer saved immediately to the server. This reduces the round trip and speeds up a little bit the work in here. So if you change some code, the new button save template code is active and you can save this new template. Then if you're satisfied after you did the changes and you tested your changes, you can click on copy template code to the live code. So if you would do this, he's asking, do you really want to do this? And say no in this case. Additionally, you have now, for now, only two options to choose a template, a default template. This is a good starting point. So if you want to go with the smaller one, you can load the template and adjust this to your needs. Let's do this right here. We go loading this template and you will see also which option is going to be changed if you load this template. So let's do this. And the settings are changed already. Yeah, you see this here, the padding is activated. And the other new feature is the preview mode. So you have 10 orders you can choose from and you can preview with these orders. If you preview this with the first order I have here, this order has a product that has no image and also the text is very, very long. On the template code you see an image in here. How it's done. The image is basically from the product image that you might have set up. And with the get media data function, you get the object, and with the .url, you get the URL. So this is built in the template and you can use it. So let's take a look how it looks if you have a product with an image, preview. And then the image is on this side. Again, this is a starting point for you to play around. If you go with the A4 template, so it will change again the same properties. We do this and let's preview this. It's not bad, but a little bit is missing, and this is because it's an image, a screenshot I took. But you have to add the banner because I don't know if you set up a banner or not. In this case, this is a banner image and we need to add the banner image too so that it works. Let's go to the banner. So now it's set up. And let's preview again. And then it looks like this. Let's make it a little bit smaller. It looks like this. So there's still plenty of elements to play around with to make it fits perfectly for your needs. And then you have the ticket. In this case, I would adjust this again because this text is way too big. Let's see how it looks for the first one. Yeah. Looks also a little bit weird. We have a break in here, so you have to be careful what you're doing. And I choose by purpose a very big banner image so that it looks nice on the banner top. But you're totally free on what you're doing. You can add a logo and so on. I hope this new editor will help you to have a much better corporate identity approach for your tickets. and it's much easier also for you to play around. In the future, we're going to extend also this text editor to have a chooser, so you don't need to copy paste all of them. And in the future, the idea is to have maybe a drop down here to choose from, and it's much easier than to play around. Again, you do not need to create a layout. It's already there. But if you want to apply a corporate identity, a corporate design, feel free to do this. So if you're happy with this, we can just click here and it will be stored to the live version, and immediately all the tickets will have this in the view. Additional, it's planned, but I really do not know when I can manage to have it, that we have also a ticket designer on the product level, so that you can override basically on the product base the look and feel of your tickets. But this will be in the future. So this helps you a lot. We received a lot of support requests for these kind of operations, and it took me quite a while to get this up and running. Thank you very much for all your support and for your feedback, and I hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned. Bye.